Hello and welcome to morEwish Cuisine, my desi kitchen with the Western touch. Today I'm sharing the recipe of chicken fajita pizza. So my basic pizza dough recipe, which is a no-fail recipe, you can make deep dish or a thin crust, and of course the fajita topping. So let's go and make it happen. This recipe we need 3 cups of all-purpose water. Then I have a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of sugar, a tablespoon of butter, and a teaspoon of instant yeast. I just soak it in a warm water so it can get activated. Now in a stand mixture with the hook dough, I add my flour with the instant yeast, which is already soaked in water, then a salt and sugar, and a tablespoon of butter. You can go from tablespoon to 2. Then start stirring and while adding lukewarm water in it. So the dry flour will turn into a sticky dough and then into a smooth dough. Knead it for 4 to 6 minutes. Your dough should be smooth, very, and then when you pick up a dough, it should hang a little. So just transfer the dough into the bowl, just grease the top and then cover. Leave it for an hour or 2 to get raised. Now the fajita topping. For this I'm using 1 pound of chicken cubes. They are like medium to small size. You can use any size, whatever you want. Then I'll be adding a teaspoon of minced garlic, a teaspoon of salt, and a teaspoon of red chili flakes. Then 2 tablespoons each of chili sauce, Worcestershire sauce, and lemon juice. Now in a mixing bowl, add your minced garlic, salt, and red chili flakes, chili sauce, Worcestershire sauce, and a lemon juice or vinegar, 2 tablespoons of each. Just mix it very well until it's combined and then leave it for 10 to 15 minutes on the counter or in the fridge. Now heat the saucepan and transfer your marinated chicken in the pan. I don't add any oil or butter. You can add a tablespoon around and just cook it on high flame until all the juices get dry and your chicken is tender. So now this is almost done. I just leave the little juice at the end, the little saucy stuff, so it won't feel like way too dry. And this is it. This fajita topping is ready. You can use it any other fajita recipe. And let's go and for our last step, which is our assembled part. So now the assembled part, I'll be using pizza sauce. I always buy this squeeze bottle. When it's finished, I'll just refill it with a can. So I'll be using this pizza sauce, some sliced mushrooms, sliced capsicum. I just cut it in thin slices, shredded mozzarella, shredded cheddar cheese. I prefer mild. And then my cooked fajita topping, which we just cooked right away. And then I have my raised dough. You can see where it was and where it's now. So just punch it down and knead it again for like 2 to 3 minutes. And knead it for 3 to 5 minutes until you get again a smooth dough. Now grease your pizza pan with the butter. I am using 2 12-inch pans. Divide your dough into 2 parts. So you will get 2 thin crust pizza. Knead it again, turn it into a smooth dough ball. Put it on your greased pizza pan and start stretching with your hand. You can use rolling pin as well, but I find it a little bit easier and manageable with the hand. So just stretch it with your greased hand so it won't stick on your hands. So when it's done, now it's time for the second part, which is pizza sauce. Just squeeze the pizza sauce, tablespoon to 2, or if you like more, you can obviously add more. Just squeeze, just spread it all over with the back of the spoon. Apply all around it at the edges, and then sprinkle some cheddar cheese and cover it and leave it for the second coat. I prefer to put it on the stove top. Leave it for at least 20 minutes. Just uncover it, and now the topping part. Just put the chicken pieces on top of it. Now generously spread mix of mozzarella and cheddar cheese all around it, as much as you want. Now I add sliced mushrooms. You can mix and match. You can add any vegetables, whatever you like. I prefer mushrooms and capsicum, bell peppers. You can do whatever first and not. I add the mushrooms first, then just decorate it slightly with the thinly sliced bell peppers. I use green. You can use different colors as well. Then I sprinkle some dried oregano leaves, and then for a little spicy kick, I add red chili flakes. That's of course totally optional. Now bake in 500 degrees Fahrenheit or whatever highest temperature in your oven until the cheese is melted. So here is my homemade thin